So I've been on this CLK 320 chasing down the Misfire code. It was on cylinder 5. It's a V6. Found out that it was the coil pack. Now with that, I was trying to reuse the same spark plug wires, but they broke off on the old coil pack and I couldn't transfer them to the new coil pack. So we got 2 new wires and we're gonna put them on the new pack, get this installed, just to make sure that our Misfire code is completely gone, and then we should be good to go. Let's get to it. All right, let me show you guys. Okay, so I guess I cleared all the codes, but we had a cylinder 5 Misfire, and then with that, I switched the coil pack and plugs over to cylinder 4, and I guess afterwards of everything confirming that that was the issue, I could delete the codes, but I just deleted them again just to make sure everything's good. So that way, when we start this thing up, we have no codes at all. And now basically I just got to get the coil pack installed and the wires. So let's get on that real quick. We got this one marked R for the right side of the pack, so it goes right, back one goes left. And then with that, that's because there's 2 spark plugs for the vehicle. Now let's do L on this one. Do R that one. Make sure it snaps on there. All good. All right, let's go first startup. Misfire is gone. No more check engine light. We're gonna take it for a spin around the block just to make sure that the Misfire is completely gone. And yeah, right now it runs smooth. It's not chopping or anything, not misfiring, no light either, so I think we should be all good here and we can get the car back to the customer. So yeah, we're gonna get on this test drive real quick just to be safe. So I've been driving the vehicle now about 5 minutes or so. We got the new spark plug wires in, the new coil pack in. We also got, so we got new wires, coil pack, and 2 spark plugs, all on the same cylinder. Got everything swapped out, just a complete refresh of that cylinder and whatever damage that Misfire might have caused. And now the vehicle's running really good. And I mean, I'm sure the customer's gonna be happy. I'm about to get back to the house. I'm gonna call them up, tell them, hey, come pick up the car, it's ready, no more Misfire. Just like that. But I'll holler at y'all in the next one. And I might give a breakdown of how much I made. I don't know, we'll see. Depends on how I'm feeling. But You know, it's a family, friends vehicle, so of course we're showing love to them. And yeah, I'll let y'all on the next video. Like, subscribe, rate, all that. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of content. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know what to improve, what you like, what you dislike, all that good stuff. And I'll holler at y'all in the next one.